Hello traders, today is the 23rd of January 2011, and this video is about the Euro USD currency pair, the leading indicator of the market. Okay, before a few weeks ago we were bullish towards the Euro USD somewhere in December 2010, and we were talking about what we call a greedy target of 1400. For those of you who have been following us for some time, you may remember that we were talking about a greedy target of 1400, 14,000 level, okay, for the Euro USD currency pair. Okay, for those of you who do not know us, we are the TSTW24 TSTW SYS08 traders. Okay, so we want to look again at this Euro USD currency pair. This is the monthly chart, the 30-day 30 monthly chart of the Euro USD currency pair. And we can see on this chart that the price was going up, okay, for some time. And now on this monthly chart, we see this a negative slope trend line here on this monthly chart, okay. And like we said to you before, our greedy target of 1400, I will draw my horizontal line there for you so you can see clearly what we were talking about. Recently, again, we were bullish towards the euro until a week before last week. On Friday, we closed all our bullish trade. That's a week ago now. We closed all our bullish trade towards the Euro USD. And we are now looking for opportunity to sell the Euro USD. By going back into the past, we set a target in the past, what we call a greedy target of 1400 for the Euro USD currency pair. Okay. Now the market started going up again. We were bullish towards the euro until 1 week ago, and we closed all our bullish trend because the Dow Jones has reached the 76% Fibonacci retracement level. That's why we came out of all our bullish swing trade regarding the Euro USD, and now we are busy day trading only. Okay, we do not have any swing trading position in the Euro USD as I'm speaking to you now. Looking at this chart now, okay, the euro is going up, but we are now very bearish towards the euro, looking for opportunity to sell. But if the market decided to bring the euro to our greedy target of 1400, as soon as the euro hits the 1400 level, we will sell without asking any more question. Okay, if the euro manages from here to move up to test this white horizontal line, which was our previous target of 1400, we will sell exactly at that point 1400 without waiting for the market to show us anything else. Okay, we will sell exactly at 1400 if the euro manages to touch that level of 1400. That was our previous target. If I switch back to the daily chart, okay, you can see clearly here that was the time when we were bullish during this period. Okay, buying the euro. The euro manages to reach the level of 13500. Okay, and it was sold down big time. Okay. We were very surprised that the market rejected the euro because we were expecting the euro at that point in time where I placed my cursor to continue the movement to the upside and hit the 1400 level. Okay, that's why we were expecting. That's why we set the target at 1400, and we thought that at this point in time the euro will continue the movement and hit our greedy target right there. But the price did turn around here. These are the Fibonacci traders that sold the euro at this point in time. Okay, now the euro manages to break this resistance level that was here before. Now it's above it, going up. Looks like it's going to hit the 1400, our greedy target that we have set in the past for the Euro USD. But right now we are no more looking for opportunity to buy the euro. We are looking for opportunity to sell. But if the market continues the movement to the upside, we will be busy day trading, going in the direction of the price. Of course, we will be buying if it's going up. day trading, but no swing trading. For swing trading, we are looking for opportunity to sell the Euro USD. Going back again to the 30 days monthly chart, you can see I'm going to remove my greedy target line, which is the white horizontal line here. I'm going to remove that line now. Okay, I will remove that. Okay, and I'm going to draw another horizontal line on this chart, this resistance level here, right there where I place my cursor. I'm going to draw another horizontal line there for you, right there. You see, that's exactly that level that the euro is touching right now, where I place my cursor now. This level here, you can see clearly that the euro manages before to break this resistance line, went up, okay, came back below it, went above it, the same line, and then come back below it. Okay, it went above it here again, okay, touch this trend line here, okay, and come back again below the white horizontal line. The euro went below it, now is retesting the same zone. Many bears will be looking for opportunity to sell at the retest of the euro at this point, because as we can see, it went down below it many times. It went down here, it went down here. Now it tried to go up here, they push it down. This is what we call a descending triangle being formed here. Okay, even if you draw your descending triangle like this, okay, you can see clearly that it's a bearish pressure built here in the euro USD. This double bottom pattern, we will see what will happen if it manages to cross above this triangle. Then that will validate this triangle. But right now, this is a clear-cut descending triangle. Some people may call it pennant or whatever they want to call it. Okay, but the target that the euro may reach if it continues the movement to the outside is the 1400, which is exactly at the edge of this trend line here. So what we are talking about is that if the euro continues the movement to the upside to reach the greedy target of 14,000, which is right here, it will come exactly to retest this trend line here, giving the bear excellent opportunity to sell, and we will sell also in that zone of 1400. That remains to be seen. But again, as I'm speaking now, the euro is retesting this resistance level. We will watch carefully coming Monday, how the market will react. There is a high probability that the euro may gap down even a Sunday night, but we will see. But if he manages to continue the movement to the outside, the next target is 1400, and we will be looking for opportunity to sell the euro at 1400. To go over what I'm talking about here, okay. If the euro comes to this level here, okay, we will sell it down, big time down, okay. Whatever the euro is doing, if it's going up, it hit the 1400, we will sell by all means. If you find a resistance right there, which is this resistance here, if you validate this resistance here after going below it many times, okay, it went below it, found a support below it, went above it, only to display a lower high. Now it go back below it again, find a support exactly there, validating this level. If a double bottom is going to be valid, the double bottom must be able to break this resistance level. This is the hot spot. This is what we're talking about all the time. This is what we tell the TSTW24 traders. The key point for the double bottom pattern is this nut. You have to crack this nut before you can confirm the bullish pattern itself. So the double bottom being formed here, a double bottom being formed here, this resistance, after this resistance is broken, that's when you know that the downtrend is kaput. But if this resistance level is not broken, the downtrend is still on, which is a clear-cut descending triangle still going on here. We will expect the euro probably will like to try to seek the 1400, okay, in this zone here. But I doubt that very much, because it's only 1 week the euro got left for this month of January to complete that task to reach the 14,000. Will that remain to be seen? We will see. Probably we will do it, but we will see. But right now it's at the resistance level. Whichever way is going, we are day trading right now. But if you find a resistance here, and the TSTW SYS08 trading system give us a clear-cut swing trading sell signal, we will sell by all means this euro USD. So we are watching this level of where the euro is right now, okay, to look for opportunity to sell if we find a resistance here, which means the euro will turn around at this resistance level, coming down, okay, or it may continue the movement to retest the 1400 zone before coming down. So to summarize where the euro is, the euro may continue the movement to the upside and retest this trend line here in the zone of 1400 before turning down big time. The euro this year must be going down, 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 down. Okay, that's our view. Our view is not a certainty, but we will observe the market and look for opportunity to sell in the region of 1400. If you find a resistance right there, which we expect it to find a resistance right there, which means validating this white line as a valid resistance level after going below it many times, to validate this white line as a resistance level and to turn around right here now and big time down. If that is about to happen, we will see on Sunday euro gapping down. If it gap down, that will confirm to us that this white line has been validated as a resistance level. If we continue the movement to the outside and break this white line, the next target is 1400. Whichever way the euro is going, we will be part of it. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS 08 traders. Thank you for watching and speak to you soon.